Okay, it's a very old principle of magic, card magic, and this effect is the torn corner to wherever you can make this appear inside of, in this case, sugar packet, but you can make it appear inside of a piece of fruit, a kiwi, universal idea. So I'm going to show you this idea here. So you have to start by taking a sugar packet, and what you're going to do is you're just going to, you can take an X-Acto blade or a knife, you're going to pull it apart like this, and you're going to preset it with the corner in there. Now when you put the corner in there, you want to shove it into the middle of the sugar so that the sugar will, the white area will cover the red area of the card. So you just kind of shake it like that. Now you're going to take a glue stick or some super glue and you're going to glue this back. So this would actually look, they can check it out, because you can't even, they fill that little piece in there or anything like that. So this would be super glued or glue sticked shut. Very simple. You start off, you have the piece of the card that matches the piece in there. Have that in the middle of the deck, and this is going to give you a very simple riffle force. It's going to give you a short card kind of thing, and you're going to hold the card here on this corner. When you riffle like this, you have them say stop. It will stop right, as you can see, on your short card, on your corner missing card. So you're going to show it from this side. Take the cards, set them down. Now you're going to grab here on this corner so that you can hide the fact, making sure your fingers are not open so they don't see it, obviously. You're going to, you take a napkin, or I'm just using a piece of paper so that it's visible on here. You're going to show the selected card. Okay, now you're going to pretend to tear off the corner. Now, when you rub your fingernail against the side of it, it's going to give you a sound like it's ripped it off. So this will be like this. There's nothing to do here, just a little bit of acting. You just pretend to tear. You can get some sound effects with your fingers, and just by taking your fingernail there and rubbing it along the edge of the card, looks like you ripped it off. You then set this down. You show your hand empty here, okay? You can pretend to transfer it if you want. Different things you can do. Now you just do the acting of squeezing it into a little ball, vanishing it. Okay, now you can have them open it, because this would be inside here, but you just tear, or they would actually open it. And then when they dump it out, all the sugar comes out, and look what's inside there. One little corner, and you show it's a perfect match like that. So it's a really awesome effect. Try it out. Let's see. Corner to sugar packet.